gold and silver both trading in range without any much of movement either on the bull side or the bear side. So which position we should take? Can we expect them to fly or crash? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to identify the positions where we can take a good entry and make profit. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and note down the levels. Now look at the hourly charts. You can find out it is giving you higher lows, higher highs here. So after this breakout, you can see this bullish candle on the hourly charts. It is trying to consolidate a bit on the upside. 1760-62 zone definitely very good resistance, and we know 1765 is the next resistance zone. Beyond that, certainly very good bullish movement can be seen, and right now on the downside below 1750 only you can expect it to drop. So yes, you can take a sell position below 1750. You can expect 1745. You can see multiple candles getting support here, and hence 1745 should be the next target, and if it breaks below, certainly more bearishness can be expected. Right now it is trying to consolidate in this bullish channel, and then a breakout can be expected if it does. Also, if you look at the directional movement, moderately bearish, stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is bearish still. RSI trying to look upwards from here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, see it has shown a good swing, higher highs, lower lows. So right now it is still indicating that there is little bearishness which it has started. It is trying to trade on the 2-hour charts. In the near term it is trying to trade in a slightly bearish bias, and you can find out it is trying to get the support at 1752 54 levels. Yes, but that is why I say once it breaks below 1750, that should be a confirmation that potentially it may try to show you little bearishness where 1745 40 levels cannot be denied. At the same time, above 1760 you can expect 1765 and plus levels, and hence do not trade between 1750 and 1760. Now if you look at the charts here on the little larger time frame, you can find out 2-hour charts, retracement, consolidation, and again if it resumes the downtrend, potentially we may see a little more bearishness. Directional movement trying to converge, stochastic looking at a comfortable levels. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. The RSI is trading comfortable, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also see same drop, retracement, consolidation, again trying to take a decisive move here. Now look at the charts here. You will find higher highs, lower lows, pivot here somewhere at around 1754-55 levels, and that is why I say 1750 is a very good level for you to take a sell entry, and potentially below that you can expect it to drop, and above 1760 you can expect it to rise a little. You will at least get $5 there till 1765 on the upside, and on the downside 1740 definitely a good support. Below that only you can expect it to drop a little. Directional movement is moderately bearish, stochastic turning upwards again on the 3-hour chart. The MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see if you look at the charts here, see double top here and then lower highs, lower lows. So on the 4-hour charts it is very much in this bearish channel. Only and only if it breaks past 1760, confirm that it is trying to show you the strength there, trying to show you bullishness there. At the same time, below 1750, certainly that will be a good level for you to stay short and expect it to drop. So same, once again the same range. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic falling from the cliff. It was overbought there. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is near to overbought levels, and now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see double bottom, and it is trying to give you bullishness, but at the same time one must look at the candle size there. Previous candle, the body size was almost half the size of the candle, half the size of the movement, indicating that the bulls are not very much there. But yesterday also the markets were completely closed. The US markets were completely closed. Today it might try to show you a little momentum. It is trying to trade in green and potentially on the upside till the time it trades beyond 1755. Certainly it will show you a little movement. Below 1750, certainly it is going to trade bearish from there. We have to be cautious there. On the upside, if it tries to rise beyond 1760, see this zone is very critical here at 1760-62. Beyond that, certainly we can see a very good movement. So if it continues to trade from here, potentially we are looking forward to a double top, and then from there a drop can be expected. So I will be watchful there. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD has crossed over and it is trading with little divergence. It is still bearish here on the daily charts. RSI is comfortable. So considering this, I'll recommend you to buy at 1760 and sell at 1750 levels. Do not trade in between these levels. Do not trade in between these $10 above 1760. 1765 is a good resistance, and beyond that we can see it flying high till towards 1771, 1780 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch. The last batch, only a couple of seats are left. Last batch for this year is going to start on 28th of November. Do not miss this opportunity. Be a part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel and trade profitably. Now look at the silver's 1 hour chart. You will find on the hourly chart it is trading in this bearish channel. At the same time, it has taken the support here. It has achieved these levels and sub levels also, where there was a good bullish breakout has been seen. Now if it breaks below 2140, because 2140 is certainly a very good support level, below 2140 you can again expect it to drop. My target is going to be 2120. 2120 the next support, and below that certainly more bearishness can be seen. On the upside, 2160 is certainly a good resistance we had seen earlier. So in between 2140 and 60, do not take any position. About 2160, a little more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish. The RSI trying to rise a little. And if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts also the story is little bit same, but see, it has formed a candle into green with a long tail. Now if you look at the 2 hour charts, this is a channel in which it is trying to trade. 2160 on the upside, 2140 on the downside, good swing zone. Below that certainly it will indicate little more bearishness. So do not trade between 2140 and 60. Below 2140 you can expect 2130 as the first target, and then 2120 levels will come into picture. Below that a good drop can be expected. Above 2160, 2170 as the next target, and then 2180. Beyond that 2200 will be seen there. Directional movement is trying to cross over for a sell. Is stochastic trying to rise? It was near to oversold. The MACD is still divergent and bearish on the 2 hour charts. The RSI is comfortable, and if you look at the 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts too, likewise if you see, it has again come back to this channel. It has given a drop, or it has given a breakout earlier. So I'll potentially wait, because every candle has a meaning and it has got a larger tail, and hence in between this you need to be very, very cautious. Lower highs, lower lows, hence potentially 2160 to 2140 do not trade. Directional movement trying to converge. Stochastic rising from the bottom. MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, similar is the story on the 4 hour charts, taking the support from the 50 period average. The directional movement is trying to converge and crossover for a bullish move. Bearish move. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels, and the MACD is trying to converge, crossover. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts. 2160 certainly a good resistance. Also if you look at the previous candle, lower highs can be expected, so it might try to achieve 2160, 65, 70 levels, and from there drop again, bringing it back to 2150 can be expected. And already it has formed a good tail. It also indicates that there is a little bearishness here, which may try to continue. It is trying to form this channel. 2160, 65 on the upside, and on the downside 2140 levels. So yes, below that, because if it trades below 2140, it will get a pull down again on the downside till towards 2120 and below levels. The directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic overbought here. And if you look at the MACD, it is trading bearish. RSI, it is trading flat. Considering this, I will only recommend you to buy at 2170 now, because beyond that certainly it is going to show you the strength, and below 2140 you can sell. In between these 30 cents, do not trade silver, because probably it may try to trade in range, and hence do not risk anything. Below 2140 certainly more bearishness till towards 2130, 2120 levels can be expected, and below that a good drop cannot be denied. On the upside, about 2170 you can stay long and expect it to rise till towards $22 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email as mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.